Hello, this is Minister Cynthia Moore, and I'd like to welcome you to Chapter 2. In Chapter 2, we review the ministry structure and vision on this journey. In this video, we look at the heartbeat of the Restoring Traumatized Soul Ministry, its purpose, its mission, and the vision that shapes our work. The purpose of this ministry is to create a trauma informed, spirit led healing space for those impacted by systemically inflicted racial trauma. The vision is to guide individuals from mere survival into emotional, spiritual, and communal liberation through truth telling, scripture reflection, and community support. The mission of this ministry is to cultivate spiritual renewal, emotional restoration, and empowered living by combining biblical teaching, pastoral care, trauma responsive principles, and African American cultural wisdom. We stand on core values such as faith, dignity, justice, community, empowerment, and liberation. In the short term, we aim to build safe spaces, strengthen emotional honesty, and help participants open up without fear or shame. Long term, this ministry is building a substantial healing model tailored for the small Black Baptist congregation, equipping leaders with pastoral and trauma responsive tools, and strengthening resilience across generations. To remain accountable, we evaluate our ministry through spiritual, emotional, relational, congregative, and problematic metrics, ensuring that the transformation is real, sustained, and measurable. This chapter aims that ministry is built intentionally, prayerfully, and with deep commitment to God's vision of liberation. With this ministry structure, our vision is now firmly established. We continue forward on this healing journey. I look forward in meeting you in chapter 3.